A portion of I-95 collapsed today as a truck carrying gasoline caught on fire and caused the whole thing to come down. Last time I have checked, there have been investigations and inspections of the bridge, and all I can tell you right now is there's going to be a lot of traffic delays. It's going to cost a lot of money to repair, and it's just not good overall, because I-95 is one of the busiest interstates in the country as it goes from Florida all the way up to Maine, and it's going to cause a lot of inconveniences for a lot of people, especially in a city like Philadelphia. We'll continue to take a look at it here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel, but with that being said, hit the subscribe button and stay safe.